Hey guys, welcome to the Take two. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the 260Z build. In this episode, hopefully we're going to get the engine that's been dead, not running for 9 years, up and going, and cleaning out the interior just a little bit more because it's still nasty. So the first thing we're going to do today is back here you can see all this nasty adhesive that was used to hold all the pleather on. So we're going to spray that with some Goo Gone and let it sit, and then hopefully power wash that out. And then hit it over here on the transmission column because that's nasty and we got to get all of that out. And then lastly, we're going to come over here and put some Marvel mystery oil in each of the cylinder heads. And we've got new distributor wires because I just have a feeling that's not going to work. And hopefully we can get some fuel pumping from mechanical fuel pump. If not, we having to order one of those, and the goal is to hopefully get her turned over today, and we'll see what we can do. Okay, so we put all the Marvel mystery oil in the cylinders, replaced all the distributor wires and the spark plugs, which was absolutely terrible because it's about 4 million degrees outside. So the next step is we're going to hook up a little battery charger I have and see if it's going to crank over and be nice to us. So let's do it. Yeah. Anyway, this is our rig. It's set up. It's good.
It's good.
There's Mason. There's Joseph. Yeah. Well guys, we worked on the Z for about 2.5 hours today and found out that the engine is actually seized up, so that really stinks, but we're gonna figure out something to do with that. Probably gonna have to engine swap the Z a lot sooner than we hoped for, but because it makes for cool content. So we're done for today, and we gotta make a new plan of action, and that's it for this episode. So if you liked it, subscribe, like, all that crap. Thanks.
Kind of like zoom in on your face while you're talking. I'm just like,
Like a Snapchat.
It'd be funny.